Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport on Cawarra Road, Caringbah, Sydney. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing today. I got a Porsche 996. I'm doing the radiators, front radiators, the condenser, and the actual additional spring for the shock absorber. Full strip down, and I'm adding an extra middle radiator as well to help this car cool down. It's a good option to have if you want to do it. It's great. Can't say no to extra cooling. This is it. The customer bought all the parts, which is great because it's good to do get the parts beforehand before you start the job. Make it easier for me. Anyway, so this is only a quick video of what I'm doing now. So once I finish, I'll do another quick video before I put the front bar on. Okay, thanks for watching. And just a quick, got two hoses there. I'm going to transfer the fan, move the fan from the old one to the new one, and now I'm going to fit this one back into the bracket here and the bracket back on the car. Make sure the hoses go on properly, and the first thing I'll do, I'll run the car and I'll pressure test the system, make sure it doesn't leak before I put the front bar back on and the wheel arch. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.